'cause everything's already.
Now, tonight is a special night in some minds, yet it is no different than any other night or any other moment. The only thing that makes it unique is the coalescing of each individuated perspective here, creating frequencies and vibrations together. What we want to do tonight is talk about the power you have as a creator, because there is some confusion. There's some confusion in understanding the difference between surrendering to the will of source or higher consciousness and creating. There's confusion about the difference between allowing source to guide, allowing higher consciousness to guide, and allowing your own intentions and will to dictate. So, the difference is your will is truly that of source. Your will is truly that of the divine. Yet this is at the vibrational level. And for those who are unfamiliar with the levels of creation, we'll touch on that. But at the vibrational level, every desire, every intention you have at the vibrational level is the will of source. Now, what happens is that pure desire for the vibration or frequency that you have, it is not tainted by meaning, judgment. It is not tainted by anything but the desire for more life, more experience, more expression at the vibrational and frequency level. But what happens? What we end up doing is attaching a lot of meaning, guilt, and conditioning and skewed perspectives to that desire. And suddenly it becomes taboo or tainted or I shouldn't. And we're no longer being. But we attach even more than that. We attach form to the vibration and think that the source of the frequency is external to us. We attach form and decide, unless I have this, I cannot fulfill my desire. I cannot fulfill my intention. Unless I have this, I lack what I need. Unless I get this job, this circumstance, this situation, I cannot be, do, or have what I am here to be, do, or have. Of course, that is lack conditioned thinking. We give our power away to the external, and until that external has arrived, what we desire, we don't fulfill because we don't understand how. We have it backwards. We think the fourth level of creation must happen in order to fulfill our desire, our intent. What we're here to do is simply remind you of what you already know, but get distracted from. It's easy to get distracted when we identify with form. It's easy to get distracted when we identify with this level of creation. So let's talk about these levels.